time of the year once again imbukeli sihlanganyele Royal Swazi Convention Center lapho khona sitawubona kuhlonyeliswa kwabophela bantfu labangenele tona temculo kuleli lakangwane. It's Eswatini Music Awards and this is the 3rd edition. Of course, imbukeli ngilona loyo uphume umkhankaso. We have nominees in different categories and they all hopeful to take a trophy home and an award home. But yeah, they could only be one winner at the end of the day for each and every category. Everybody is going to go home a winner anyway. Imbukeli ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu nompumelelo kaDlamini isibongo sekuphinze kunjalo sihambisana naye Eswatini Tourism Authority sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe sikhuthatha kona imbukeli ukuthi wadeliver lakho kabandi. Sisatawubukela ke imbukeli bantfu labafike kulona mcimbi sitawubona ukuthi lona mcimbi kulomnyaka hamba njani nokuthi sowushintshe njani over the years. Asigcine nje lapho mbukeli sifuna ukuxoxisana nawe eMaswati njengoba nawe uyadibonela ukuthi namambala indvango idliwe la aphume ngetinkani eMaswati mbukeli nawo akhomba buhle bawo. Angithathele lifuba mbukeli ukubingelela ngiphinze ngomukele ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu. Stay tuned for the 3rd edition of what we know as SWAMA Awards.
The MTN SWAMA Awards is an annual event that celebrates our very own bright stars in the music industry of Eswatini. With this year's being its 3rd run, the stakes were definitely high and people came dressed to impress, and again this year the awards were held at the Royal Spa Convention Center. Glitz and Glamour was this year's theme, with the broader theme is monetizing music, defined theme that resonated with the showbiz.
We are honored and so grateful to be the ones presenting the first award for tonight. Best Music Video of the Year.
The nominees are Bobson, Umnyango, SO5E29 featuring Selby, Folk Over, Lyrical Pasta, Inamba Symphony, Chance, Mr. Kangaroo, Josie, J Para featuring Mosaic, Flight Mode, Mandisa, Love Fiend.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the first winner, the Best Music Video Award goes to Inamba, Lyrical Pasta.
Lyrical Pasta.
Sweetheart, tell me who you are, where you're from, and why did you decide to look like an Indian?
Okay, I'm Libo Gininza, Mala Zulwini for work, but I'm actually from down at Mhlume. I love saris, I love themed events, themed anything. So I wanted to be different, so I chose to wear a sari.
Right, what did the outfit for you?
I bought it in Durban, while ago.
So when you
Yes.
Ngumduduzi ngwakankhambule sibongo neligama lenganikwa lona ekhaya bese uthi umsebenzi lo ngiqashile which is comedy ngimgogo the comedian lo brand le outfit njalo kuyibona le dress isekugcineni lekufuna usinaba ngishutha ivele yonke nalo msini yeke bangigogo awuthi uyayibona hayi vele be strong nawo ubona le outfit lapha phasi ihamba neliteki lekudula
okay
lela itolo nase stage esikhathini esiningi ngisebenzisa our proper vernacular language not really ukuthi singisa singenini siyangena ngibuyisa naye indzaba yetolo leyagogo lama line esingisi ngiyayenwasuse nange stage ngiwathona ngibuya la ngaphandle provided le stage siyangivumela side abantu abamhlophe labangasiva Siswati.
Manje sithochazele mina bathi namhla we going glitz and glam. Yini lokhu glitz and glam ngale outfit yakho?
Bringing the brand of Gogo to the spotlight.
My name is Indelo Ngwenya. I'm from Baban. I'm a designer, I'm a fashion designer, internationally known. The past 3 months I showcased at Paris and I went to Mozambique. So what inspired my outfit is I love to fuse culture with elegance. So I think it's a royal brand and I think I excelled in it. Yeah.
Okay, now this outfit, what makes your outfit different?
What makes it different? I think it's the details because they are hand beaded, and it's, what can I say? It's just amazing.
Yes.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
What are your expectations for tonight's event?
It's actually my first time here, so I'm expecting fireworks, something interesting. I've never had the experience of watching any awards in Swaziland. I'm Swazi, but I don't actually watch any awards or anything Swazi. So I'm actually very interested in seeing what's on show today.
Kuqala ngitova mnanzi ngiyatuka ukuthi i-comedy ngicashile kumsebenzi. Kodwa ke egcineke konke nange stage ngeke ngithi ngiyova mnanzi kuze ngilahle stress sokuthi abantu bayesinza ngoba kulesi sikhathi uthi uyangena audience uvungathi le mic isophethe umphefumulo uphethe umuntu. Ngalokusinza kwalabantu but ke lokungenta ukuthi ngikuvungathi kulula lokho sonke isikhathi nange stage ngiba like let me entertain myself. Ngaka entertain lesive funa ngibe entertained kuqala mina.
Okay. Now you're wearing a crown.
Yes.
I'd easily assume you're a queen or something.
Oh, yes.
Tell me about the crown.
My brand is Lindsay's Apparel Palace. So I'm the queen of the palace. That's my brand, so that's the crown.
The awards were hosted by our very own funny guy Ndura, together with the ever so beautiful and vibrant girl Z.
Zura, you're the king of that. Stop it, I like it.
Welcome to it, baby. Oh, I can't say baby, they're ministers, so I can't. Maybe take it away, Z.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sani Bonani. Welcome to the MTN SWAMA Awards 2019.
What makes a good and great DJ is passion. Not only do you love music, but you have an intense passion for DJing, and it shows that it's what it is DJing of the Year category is all about.
Best DJ of the Year. The nominees are Zundi, Sux, Tolani, DJ Master P, DJ Super City.
I guess I will do the kind of the drum beat. The winner of the Best DJ Award for 2019 is...
I'm surprised there were only 3 DJs nominated. You know, Swaziland is hectic. But the DJ of the year goes to Mr. Fawaz Zulu D.
Sanbunan. Besides because singing is from the station on Instagram, 500 likes. But Tanza Kosi, Ipe initiative by MTN SWAMA for such a great initiative. But recognizing talented for the Maswati, Siazama, Patukuni, Klabo, Labazama, Bazamanat. Thank you.
Congratulations, DJ Zulu. Country music is all about basic chords, vocals, and melody, and these nominees definitely have all three.
Best Country, the nominees are Cleopatra, Dusty and Stones, Swahili Masu, Isaac Gameze.
And the winner is Cleopatra.
And so you know, you guys, I was worried about coming here. Woo! This is country music. Thank you so much, Eswatini. I'm just a singer of simple songs, and then Chabula, if I'm able to change people's lives with my music. I appreciate this so much. Let us keep making country music bigger internationally, and we love you. Thank you so much.
Yeehaw, Cleopatra. Being a music producer takes heart, talent to fuse different sounds together to make a big hit that makes everyone dance.
Best Music Producer of the Year. The nominees are NKO Main, Mr. Kangaroo, Rendition, Ziawa Gazeta, Mosaic, Harris.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2019 MTN SWAMA Award Best Producer of the Year is...
I just want to say, first of all, I know that I deserved it. Shout out to Bobzin and Kenneth and Nyamo. We did that song and it was amazing.
Talk about growth and dedication. You are a great example, Mr. Kangaroo. The MTN Spotlight contestants, together with the winner Nzika, set the stage on fire.
Things riding on me, family, friends, and then come cases, she depending on me to make the most of what I'm doing, cause I'm best at it. Say it like it's never said, like the song at it. No remorse because I'm mad at it. Stressed about it, yeah, I'm mad at it. Throwing punches, yeah, I'm mad at it. You ain't gonna tell me that I'm mad until I show you that I'm mad at it. Even better, I go mad on it. The other day, I was told that I was something else. Can never be the same thing like everybody. Okay, I'm just speaking out the truth, but God, I know myself. Showstopper to these people, they can show themselves. Drinking holy water, feel elevated till I notice I can see the skies. But then I notice I got two ones and I got them up. Ladies and gentlemen.
Not only does winning an award validate that what you are doing is on the right track and valuable, it tells the rest of the world that too.
Kangaroo, you're carrying an award. It's
Best Music Producer of the Year.
Best Music Producer of the Year.
Yes.
What does this award mean for you?
This award is everything. And this year, ngisebenze hard ukuthi ngiyithole. Ka Facebook bengwaridi ukuthi nangingayitholi bantu batawuthini ngoba bebaloku babhizi. Hey, this year sibabukile, this year angathi kubukwe bobani, you know. But you know, everyone felt like I deserved it, and bantu lendlela bebavota ngayo kungihambulishile kakhulu. And siyabonga ukuthi MTN nalo music industry yasemukelo and asinikele okulesi kudeserve. Yes.
Now, who's Kangaroo? Where does he come from, and what inspired him to be where he is now?
Mr. Kangaroo wakhona la eSwatini kaManzini. I stay in Buhle Park. I'm a music producer and I'm a hip hop artist. I have a record label, SWAZI Records. So mina nje ngiqale ngasayina Claiming Ground, then from Claiming Ground then I went solo. Sikhuluma lokho ngimanje nje, I'm an independent artist who's also a music producer in Swaziland. Yeah.
I love the confidence that you have.
Yeah.
You know, when you took your award, you deserve it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What makes you think you deserve it? What makes you different?
I feel like imvona ngabe uphume all out wayisebentela and I didn't even know ukuthi kutaba nema hours this year. Honestly, I was doing this ngekuthi ngiyithanda lento and out of hunger that I want to be the best producer in Swaziland. I didn't know that I would be the best producer in Swaziland nge-award. But you know, with the work, I wanted to be the best producer in Swaziland. So Maseknalema Awards, and when I was nominated, I felt like, no, I'm the best producer in Swaziland right now. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Who is the person behind Kangaroo? Ngoba Kangaroo ngiyathi ukuthi stage name on
Yes.
lakho nje nowathi
Yes.
lona.
Yeah.
Ubani Kangaroo? Ufika njani kubena benkangaroo?
Kangaroo is Malbonga Manana. I-background yami akusiyo lenhle. Ifamily ayizange zekusupport lokho, but you know what? I said if I only live once, if they say you only live once, you all or what was, I wanna live my life ngalemvo lengitsandzako, which is music. And nangabe ngidawufeyila ngidatfeyilela mina, but I love this, I wanna do this. And I wanna take this to Africa, I wanna take this to the world. Yeah.
All right. Congratulations again, Mr. Manana.
Thank you so much, man.
One more.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Asasicale nje ungangitsheli ngale award that you're presenting. Tell me about your outfit. What inspired this look? Who did you dress? Ushaya nje umthana around now. Let's just come bafana what you made of. Shake what your mama gave you.
Okay, my dress, a friend of mine made this from high school. Her name is Snigetiwe uhambe wayofunza eNgwane Park, and so we created something together. Ngathi mina ngifuna lo kanje she manifested.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look lovely.
And then Futi Zulu did my hair.
All right. You look pretty.
Thank you so
You look
much.
amazing. Now
Thank
tell me
you.
about the awards that you're presenting.
Yes.
Bengani and Nini Gebani, and did they even deserve it? His was shocking.
I think as a person that has known the industry from long ago, you know, I started following the entertainment industry at Kangwane, Safunze Primary. So Kangaroo well deserved it. I know his journey, I know it very well. He well deserved it. And to him, good approach to say, Omnyang wa popzin, we're all dancing, it's everywhere. Now Pumung Valley, the beat and everything, it's amazing. The sound is clean. Coming from where he comes from, he deserved it.
Now, you just mentioned, sweetheart, because you've been a follower of the industry, so it was a primary.
Yeah.
Which means you've been following Nalama Sama Awards.
Of course.
First edition
Of course.
to namuhla.
Of course.
Kuqala kwawo ukuthi kube namhlanje cishe uthi umehluko kube yini? How are they going according to you?
Ngekubuka kwami ahamba kahle kakhulu eMaswama Awards. You know, makaqala, it was historic. It was historic in the sense that you felt it emotionally. This is big for the industry. Something as magnificent as this, the production, organizing, and everything. People came out, Eswatini came out to support their own. Last year, this year, it's amazing. It's amazing, and siyabonga kakhulu ku recognize and ukukhulisa industry.
Okay. Now, what are you looking forward to next year for the edition of the SWAMA Awards?
Well, for the edition of the SWAMA Awards, I'm hoping they bring the poetry category, you know, and I'm hoping it's going to be bigger and better, growing every year.
Hello, Eswatini. Yeehaw! My name is Cleopatra Metula, Mrs. Roses from Babane. I am a country music singer, and I'm so excited to be at the SWAMA Awards, MTN SWAMA Awards 2019. What I'm carrying is an award.
Okay.
Thank goodness. It's country music artist of the year, country music category. Thank you so much to all the fans. Thank you so much to MTN. Thank you to all my supporters, my family, and most importantly, thank God. I love country music. I do it for a living. I love singing stories, telling stories through music, and I am happy today I have this award. It shows that we are working, and it shows that the work we're doing is appreciated.
All right. Why you chose country music of all genres that you could have tried in the kingdom?
Yeah, most of people have that question. I chose it because I love the sound of it. I love the stories behind, the way you tell stories. And most importantly, I think it chose me because I was writing music, not even knowing it was country music, only to find it was country music. So I like to believe that God chose me for country music, and here I am today.
All right. After this award, what are your plans?
I continue to work on my music and my album, of course, and to just give out good music for people out there who love country music. And also because now being internationally recognized, it means we have to produce high quality music that is going to play internationally and people will love and enjoy it. So that is my main goal, to actually work on that.
For tourism, this means that the people that are doing so well in the music industry are being rewarded for the effort that they have. And what this is going to do is that it's going to expose them to the rest of the world. So we are quite happy about what is happening. And over and above that, it means that because music is also a universal song, so to the rest of the world, this means that Eswatini is recognizing their own, and it is going to really grow to be the great thing that it is today.
What does it do for us?
Well, what that does for us is that it elevates the event and it makes it an international event, and it makes everyone want to be a part of that. And from a tourism point of view, it presents the country as something that is worth going for. So for us, it really is going to draw more people into the country, and it's really a great big story for us. But from my point of view, I think everybody is a winner, because all the people that have really played a part in raising the music industry of Eswatini have actually contributed to not only tourism, but to the economy at large. So really, I would just want to say, may the best person win, but all of them are winners in my view.
It was definitely the night of the stars. The third edition of MTN Awards went very well. It was a beautiful event from umcimbi lo waqalwa wasungulwa 3 years back kungnamuhla bekungilapho khona kuhlonyeliswa labende kahle kude temculo eveni la kaNgwane. Sifuna kubongela bonke labo labaphumelele embukeli kanzi ke kukathembeka ukuthi eminyakeni lotako lona mcimbi uqhubeka ukhule. We'll have more categories and more winners taking more prizes home. Kanzi ke lokubhlungu lokuthi there can only be one winner at the end of the day. But I still say congratulations to all the nominees, because I'm sure they've been nominated ngoba imsebenzi yabo imihle impela. Unfortunately mbukeli sasifike khona emaphethelweni lo hlelo lakhona selangena namuhla. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi Buhle Betfu akupheli kuphela sona sikhathi nasevikini leliteko ngasesikhathi esifana kongabe nginawe khona la ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu kanye lombukela ngufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekuthokoza lokuhle etinhlelweni takho letilandzelako ngihambisana naye Eswatini Tourism Authority ngithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe nisalayini kahle.